Hey ceramicists, welcome back to Bailey Pottery. Ready to tackle some sieving? Today we're assembling a Talisman Sieve, and trust us, this is a must-have for any clay enthusiast. Follow along as we guide you through the simple assembly process. Remember, our expert staff is always just a call away if you have any questions. Let's unbox the Talisman Glaze Sieve. Parts include the plastic bowl, the crank handle. There's also the red brush holder, and then there's the metal Y-frame with U-handle and the red bearing and red spacing blocks. There's also, inside the handle are the red front frame clamps, the bowl fasteners, and split pin hardware. And then finally we have the 3 nylon brushes. And of course you have your instruction guide. Helpful tools to have on hand are a pair of scissors, an adjustable wrench, some heavy-duty pliers, and a slotted screwdriver. Begin by removing the bolts from the rear spacer block. Next, turn the U-handle around and place it inside the frame. Reinsert the bolts that you removed from the rear spacer block and tighten them securely. Insert the crank handle down through the bearing block. At this point, you can slide each of the 3 nylon brushes into the brush assembly to form that cluster that will press against the screens. Now you want to push the brush assembly onto the crank handle and align the holes. Insert the split pin through the aligned holes in the crank handle and the brush assembly. Bend the ends of the split pin around either side to secure it in place. We're almost there. It's time to attach the bowl to the frame. Now flip the sieve over. Insert the long bolt and washer through the spacer and bowl. Add the nut to the end of the bolt and tighten it securely. Attach the front frame clamps to the bowl. Insert the short bolts through the front frame clamps and bowl holes. Add the nuts to the ends of the bolts and tighten them securely. You're ready to rock! Insert the sieve screen. Gently push the sieve screen into place, making sure to push only on the rubber outsides. You know that when you order the Talisman Sieve from Bailey, it comes priced with one screen of your choice. Do you know what that sound is? That's the sound of you achieving smooth glazes. Congratulations on successfully assembling your Talisman Sieve. Remember, Bailey Pottery is your source for all things ceramic. Visit our website at baileypottery.com to browse our extensive collection of products, find helpful resources, and connect with our community of pottery enthusiasts.